Earlier this year, I sat in this very same chair and introduced the beta for RevenueCat Billing, web purchases designed specifically for the needs of mobile app developers. As I said then, it was super early, but we wanted to get started shipping and get real feedback from you to shape the product to your needs. And ship, we have. And you have. We've been impressed so far by how many of you have already used RevenueCat Billing to power your web purchases, such as running a Black Friday sale or earning churn customers back with win-back campaigns, and even some of you are powering your web versions of your app. Today, I wanted to show you some of the bigger updates we've made over the year to bring RevenueCat Billing closer to 1.0. Let's start with something we just released that we're really excited about: redemption links. With RevenueCat Billing, you can quickly set up a paywall on your site, either yourself with our web SDK or a paywall that we host with web Paywall Links. But in either case, you previously had to provide a user ID up front for RevenueCat Billing to associate the purchase with, so they had access across all their devices. This meant that you needed some way to provide a user ID, either through your login on your website or some complicated targeting in email systems for embedding them in a web paywall link. And it meant you had to build in an authentication system for your app and website. With redemption links, users can now initiate a purchase without needing to pass an app user ID. Here's how it works. Unauthenticated users can make a purchase on your paywall and will go through the checkout process just as before, where they'll enter their email address as part of the flow. Once their purchase is complete, you can present them with a page that tells them where to download the app, as well as a redemption link that will deep link into your app to unlock their content. Web Paywall Links will automatically present this page to users for you. When users click the redemption link, it will open your app that they've installed, and the RevenueCat SDK in your app will associate the purchase with their in-app user ID. Redemption links make it even easier to add a simple web purchase flow you can distribute from links anywhere or add to your existing site to enable all sorts of web-to-app features. Okay, let's look at some of the other updates we've made to RevenueCat Billing over the year, starting with web paywall links. These make it incredibly easy to add a basic paywall on the web. You set them up in the RevenueCat dashboard, and then RevenueCat hosts a paywall UI and gives you a link you can send to your users where they can purchase your products to unlock features across the web and your mobile apps. RevenueCat then handles the entire UI, from paywall to purchase to email invoices and a subscription management page that users can open from those invoices. And with redemption links, we'll even handle easily associating those purchases with your app. It even works for apps without a user authentication system. Since we first launched web paywall links over the summer, we've added some more customization options to make it easier to show a paywall that matches the theme of your app. Now let's talk about multi-currency support. We now support US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pounds, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Brazilian real, South Korean won, Chinese yuan, Mexican peso, and Swedish krona. We've also expanded our localization support in the Web SDK to 33 languages. And we're regularly adding more of both of these as we get more feedback from you. RevenueCat Billing has also expanded the types of products that you can offer your customers on your paywall. In addition to subscriptions, one-time purchases are now supported, allowing you to offer options like lifetime purchases or a la carte feature purchases. We also added support for free trials for subscription products. This gives you more flexibility to experiment with ways to increase your conversion rate. And finally, we added support for Apple Pay and Google Pay. These are really popular with users and configuration is a breeze, so we recommend turning it on. Our first year with the RevenueCat Billing beta in the wild has been great, but next year is going to be awesome. We have a lot in store for the future of web payments for mobile apps, and we can't wait to show it to you. For more details on the current and future state of RevenueCat Billing, keep your eyes on RevenueCat.com. Yeah, you're a good dog. All right, it's time to record now.